Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the rear brake light on this Peugeot 5008. This particular model is 2012, so just gonna do it step by step, so just gonna crack on with it. Right, so the nuts to release the brake light, they are hidden behind this plate here, this trim here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be using our T30 to turn this grommet this way. Okay, so now it's in open position. Okay, so we're just going to remove this trim from here. Okay, so this is the lock, that's how it gets locked. So now we can see the two nuts, one here and one there. So these are the two nuts we'll have to undo to pull the whole light off. There isn't any access from inside the quarter casing to get to the bulbs. Procedure is that the whole light needs to be pulled out in order to change the bulb. It's a 10mm socket we need to use here. There we go. That's the top nut out of the way. Just gonna do the bottom one now. There we go, that's the bottom nut. There we go. That's the light out of the body. Right, so what we do here is we're gonna undo this clip here, and then we're gonna do the side one, this one, and then one on the left hand side, and there we go, one here. There we go. So this is the bulb, this is the brake light bulb which is blown. So that's just a standard 12 volt single filament bulb. There we go friends, this is our replacement bulb. We're using a Lucas make, cost us £1 from our local shop. Just gonna slide it in. There we go. So what we're gonna do now is, before we put everything back together, we're gonna test it. There we go friends, just gonna press the brake again. There we go, it's working fine. Right, so just gonna put the circuit board back in. So it's got 4 clips, 1 2 3 4. There we go. This side, one at the back and one here. Okay, nice and easy. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna line up these pins. Okay, that goes there, and the rest just slides in. There's a clip there as well, which goes into this groove here. Okay, there we go, all fitted nicely. The top nut, that's that done. Then the bottom one, there you go, that's that done. Right, so the next bit we're going to do is to fit this trim to cover all this area, the finished trim. Just going to line up like this. I'm gonna twist the grommet like this. There we go, that's that done nicely. There we go friends, all working fine. Thank you very much for watching the video.